What is up, guys? Urbex Dave, Freaktography. Behind me, Rhythm Rider, UBC, UBJ, Urbex Carlo, 3-Ply Mafia, 2-name crew. So I've been here a few times, walking around, checking this shit out. Came back with the boys, now they're gonna check this shit out. So you're gonna watch my video, you're gonna watch their videos. Links are gonna be down below. Problem is, Carlo's not gonna post this video, because when we do epic dope shit with Carlo, he never posts it. So we'll see what happens. All right, so let's keep going. This is for me, visit number 3, visit number 4. Can't really remember, but let's get it. Rhythm Rider, getting the shot. Here it is. Getting that sweet organ shot. UBC, being gay as always. Let's take a walk up the stairs here. Well, why don't we? It's pretty warm in here, guys. Here's the UBC. Look at it. Okay, it's hot up here. I'm gonna go down. I don't like it. What is up, guys? Chair. UBC. Don't fall, UBC. Don't break it. Okay? Don't break it. This is where it's at right here, UBJ. Yeah. That one's still got the railings, a bit nicer. All right, so we're now back behind the sanctuary in some sort of an office area here. And we got a lot of stuff. We got a lot of books, office equipment, just a lot of garbage just strewn about all over the place in here. Nothing much of interest if you ask me, but you never know. I'm not going to rifle through it all because it's just too much stuff, but there's a lot of stuff in here. I'm just not interested in going through it all. Piano. Auditorium. Okay, what is up, guys? Here we go. UBC, UBD. We going upstairs to the tower. Did you see this room yet behind the stained glass?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so here we gotta climb up.
I'm gonna leave my bag down or no?
No, you're good. Okay, here we go. Get in there. Up. Up. Up we go. Okay, gotta wait for UBC now. Here he comes, folks.
Oh shit. I hate climbing this. It's so unstable. What doesn't break?
It's not. This is my favorite part of this whole building. Here he is, folks. He made it. He made it.
Took me a while. I got up though.
So this is what you want to see. There's two things you want to see. This right here, UBC.
What the hell?
This is how they rate. This is how they operate the bells. The bells are up there, up these stairs right here. That's where you need to wear your mask. So what they have here is they have sheet music with what number
Yeah.
and how many times you pull it. And then
The question is, if we ring this bell right now,
yes,
we're gonna get the hell out of here.
we don't want to ring the bell right now. No, we don't.
On the way out?
Maybe. So I'm gonna go up, get some footage up there, and then you can go up and get some footage up there. But up there is where you need to wear the respirator.
This looks pretty.
You chilling? Okay, folks. Urbex Dave, Freaktography. You gotta wear your respirator, because up there there's lots of bird shit. Bird shit is not safe. You don't want to breathe it in. So you're gonna wear the respirator. UBC is gonna film me going up. Here we go. Okay guys, here we go. We are up in the bell tower. Check it out. Baby. Big eggs. I got your bells here. Very tight. Very tight up in there. I've got a lot of dead pigeon carcasses up here. very tight space. Okay. Look around here. Good view. Big valves here. Valves there. Nice view outside. Okay, guys. I'm gonna take some pictures now and get the hell out of here.
It seems really weird. I just feel like I'm gonna fall.
You're not gonna fall. There he goes. And he's in.
It stays open.
Oh, does it? Oh, there we go.
Well,
Oh, maybe not.
Oh, maybe.
Nope. What is up, guys? We got some stuff down here. We got some books and some Bibles. Now we're down in the basement, going over towards the kitchen area. This place is in rough shape. Boy. Power? Yeah, we got lights. There we go. That's always good. Kool-Aid jammers. I'm so thirsty. I might actually take Kool-Aid jammer right now. The lights here. There we go. See, that makes everything so much easier when you have lights. Got the paint peel coming out of there. Looks like they made a lot of coffee here. And a lot of those big industrial coffee makers. Water damage here. Pretty bad. Comes UBJ, working his way down. UBC is sweating like a pig up there. He didn't know. Okay, what is up, guys? So this is going to be I'm going to wrap this video up in style. And we decided that since there's 3 of us, and we're going to film from 3 different viewpoints, we are going to ring the bell, meaning I'm going to ring the bell. So I'm going to go up to the bell tower, and the boys are going to be outside waiting, and they're going to be filming with their cell phones, and I'm going to be up in the tower. I'm going to ring that bell, then I'm going to pack up, haul ass, meet the boys outside at the cars, and then we're going to leave. So here we go, up the bell tower. Here we go. Okay guys, what is up? So I'm still up here in the bell tower. I'm just waiting for Carlo and Rhythm Rider to let me know when they're at the cars, when they're filming. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you over here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna ring these, we're gonna pull down on these levers, which pull down on these cables, which pull down on the bells up in the bell tower. So we're gonna ding some bells and make some noise, and then it's gonna make a lot of noise and it's gonna draw some attention. So that's when I gotta pack up and get the hell out of here and get to my car fast. All right, so we'll wait for the boys. Countdown is on, ring that bell. Okay guys, here we go.
Oh my god. Yo.
What is up guys, ding dong? The witch is dead. Right up there in the bell tower. Ring that bell.